Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Employee Documents template and explore its contents. To install Employee Documents, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. Using this template, your employees can access their documents from one handy location. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the document model. This has been pre-configured with properties to store data on documents, like name and thumbnail. The template also adds a person document model. This contains properties to connect a person to a document. This model also contains a workflow. Head to the Workflows tab to find it. The workflow triggers when the status property is updated to completed or signed. When this happens, the document task closes. When ready, head to the Pages section to find more new content. Locate and select the document setup page. This page contains a list block to display existing document items. If you haven't yet populated the document model, select Add Document to create new items. This opens the document page in a modal window. Now select Employee Documents to go to the Employee Documents page. Document Setup will take you back to the Document Setup page. An Add Employee Document opens the Employee Document page in a modal window. The pending signature chip appears on items that have been marked to be signed. Select an item with the signed document attached. This opens the document preview page in a modal window. You can go full screen, zoom in and out, download, print and search. Consider connecting to Workato and building integration recipes with DocuSign for users to automatically change the status of employee documents once they have been signed. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.